Regarding that matter, the Senate through Senator Hontiveros wrote me a letter asking for any record pertaining to this person. So I immediately tasked my IRD, yung Identification and Records Division namin, to look into it and cooperate with the Senate. So yung piniresenta kahapon, nanggaling yun, hindi pa kami nagkakausap ni Director Magmo regarding that matter. But then, I tell you, ang fingerprint na nakatagi sa aming record that is an infallible science of identification. No two person will have the same fingerprint. So, kaya yung kahit na mag-iba-iba ka ng pangalan, mag-iba-iba ka ng mukha, litrato, whatever, your fingerprint will never change.